right, boys and girls, the time has come for Project Ronnie to go in the shop. I've been watching and reading and commenting on all you guys' suggestions on our YouTube channel. Please keep sending them in. I've got Matt compiling a spreadsheet of all the ideas, thoughts, the pros and the cons of each way. We're gonna pick this project together. The first thing we gotta do is drag it in the shop. This thing hasn't rolled in 20 years. So we got my golf cart rigged up with a push bar that we used for the shadow. I do not know if my golf cart will drag it around there, but we're gonna see together. Let's go. Go downhill or uphill? He's going uphill. He's going to the bottom, huh? Probably. Alright, I'd say that we're ready for the track. Oh yeah. All dang. Hot rod might not. Hot rod might not make it. This should roll. I had to push on it, cord. I ain't going, we're gonna rock it. Oh, let me get up. Oh. He's rolling, baby! Let me rip the door off over the top.
Keep the back over that one a little bit. You got that ground.
I got it.
You got that ground rod over here.
Make it over there. Let's go forward, Jack.
Let me get a little bit more. Straight the golf cart right here. Oh, God. Good. All right, start turning it.
Let's go. Get in it, steer it. I won't be able to. Quarter of an inch.
Oh, you're good to go.
Straight back slow. Feel like the floor jacket. Ain't no way. Grab us a floor jack there, Cordwood. Alright. So we have moved it. We should listen to Jack and pump the tires up some more. It did move. We're having a little problem with the steering. We're going to floor jack the old girl and see if we can get her slid around there.
Your belt's a little hot on the golf cart.
Should get this thing ready. Let this thing running about 45 minutes.
One tire up now. There you go.
Yeah, you got it. All right, you grab a jack and pull. Me and Jack can push. Ready? I think so. Just leave that jack out here. We'll see. Feel pretty good about it. Hold on, Jackson. Let me see if the window roll down. Yeah, baby. It's like power windows. Hell yeah. Come on. Well, let me run into the damn tow room.
Get straight there. Straighten that thing out.
I'm trying.
You'll put some air in the tires, it'll help it. Put some air in the tires to help that thing.
All right. Jack and cord. both wanted to pump the tires up before we left. And I said, no, don't worry about it. We're gonna pump the tires up. We got some woodland animals living in the old frame rail over there. You know, hose there, big snap.
Might have to go across the hood.
Oh, yeah. Probably ain't gonna scratch it.
Yeah, go scratch the truck. Probably gonna scratch it.
That barbecue grill right there, when I lived on Lakeshore Drive, has grilled many a man steak.
Yeah. I washed that truck about 6 years ago.
This thing? Washed it?
It was sitting over there. I pressure washed it.
Oh, yeah.
It was black.
All right, Jackson. Let's roll this bad, beautiful piece of bean footage into the Yeah. What's that noise?
That goes toy.
That's a run over your toy, buddy. This thing drives good. What you think, Nitro? Project Ronnie is in the shop. Everybody's wore out and sweating. What's wrong? What's wrong with y'all boys?
Stuff losing there.
Get rid of this now. I'm saving my barbecue grill.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Y'all think that was a lot of work? We're just getting started. Now we're about to start tearing this shit apart.